Tapos anong nangyari kay Bulandres?
Na-relieve na rin po siya, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair, na
Station 1 commander ka, hindi mo alam na nirelieve siya? You're lying.
hindi ko po maalala, Mr. Chair, kung bakit siya
Nako,
na-relieve.
huwag tayo maglokohan dito ha. Bata mo yung dalawa, bit-bit mo pa Kalamba, at then bumalik ka sa Cebu, tapos mo hindi mo alam. Why they were relieved?
Ang alam ko po, Mr. Chair, na-assign, bumalik po siya sa Negros, Mr. Chair.
Ang tanong nga, bakit siya nirelieve?
I have no idea, Mr.
Saan siya
Chair.
inassign? Sa Negros Oriental.
No idea po, Mr. Chair. Kung
Mr. Chairman, itong si Albutra, kanina pa to eh. Napakasinungaling to, kung hindi mo makorner, hindi sasagot ng tama. Ngayon, bata mo yung dalawa, tapos hindi mo alam. Eh, yung investigation with regards to the death of Kalumba, ba't siya pinatay? Hindi mo rin alam.
Mr. Chair, during that time po, siya po ay...
Hindi, tanong ko, anong motive?
Ang kwento po nun, Mr. Chair,
Anong motive? Police ka, hindi mo alam? Bata mo, hindi mo alam? Hindi mo man chinek kung anong motive?
I have no direct idea talaga, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, now I move to cite in contempt Captain Albutra for lying in this committee in violation of Section 11, Paragraph C of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Major Albotra for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And it was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Comsec, please take note that Major Albotra is now cited in contempt by the Quad Committee.